1,500 is absolutely free. He takes a class every single day. He's a cult figure. Everybody loves him, and of course, everybody knows he's not just the most versatile actor. Virus G, Salam hai. And of course, big hand for Boman. And I have to tell you, I've been his biggest admirer forever. He started off as, may I tell them about his Taj days, or would you like to tell them? Tell us. How did you start in the Taj?
Oh, this is not about me today. Everybody knows that.
But I know, but still. Do you know that he was in the Taj, in the Rendezvous, as a waiter?
It's a great story, but it's, like he rightly said, it's not about him. And the book. Also, let's keep the focus.
Also, my connection with food. He's a big foodie, and he started off working with food in a hotel. And so we're really grateful you're here. But since we're all on stage and we're running short of time, and we're mic back, restaurant back to the so let's do the award ceremony. So this is Patrick Niwala.
That I've been asked to give this award to both these handsome gentlemen, third generation, I believe. Sixth generation, and seventh one on the way. Seventh generation. Seventh. And just seventh generation. That's Mumbai. That's culinary legacy for you, and we're so proud of what you've done. Thousands of people now come to me because I happened to stroll into their marvelous eatery and ask them what is the best thing.
Yes, all of them. Each and every one of you for making the time, taking the trouble. As we go along, we call each winner on stage and we have to move quickly because we have to give the restaurant back. And at 5:30, Boman Irani said he's going to come. Ranveer Brar is expected very soon to give awards. Madam Tanisha Mukherjee is already here, as is Sangeeta Kakiwala. Farzana Contractor, our wonderful upper class editor. Please give her a big hand, guys. Thank you, Farzana. Thank you. Farzana. Or husband, India's first ever food writer, Busy Bee Baram Contractors Jean, and we're so grateful she's here to give an award. We're going to begin soon, so let me tell you the flow of events. Shobha is here. She will call upon our wonderful brand ambassador, Rinna Khanna, and honor her with a trophy. Our trophies, by the way, are LED, so they're and then as we move along, we give awards and call you up and move quickly. And before when we light the lamp, we've got Samantha Noella here, along with Faustin. She's amazing. Oh, she never gives up, she says, so she's still trying. So she's going to sing a beautiful song. Samantha, can we have you here, please? She's going to sing a beautiful, touching song because we are all here for love, for hope, to spread love and hope. These awards have no sponsor, they have no fees, no commercial model. And Samantha, can you tell us a little bit about yourself? And now, before you go and find the radio show, may I invite Neeti Goyal, please? Neeti Goyal, big hand for Neeti Goyal, guys. Thank you. Thank you, madam. So, we have this one. She also has Japanese. She has a fabulous one called Idli the Chaat Curry. Superb, which I've eaten in recently. And she has Madras Diaries, she has one in Chembur. She's unstoppable and she's fabulous. So this is his artwork, created only 30 limited edition, specially for hospitality, hope, and here they are. And he's made also created the certificates. We didn't have to bully him, he did it for love. Only for love. And we not only created them, conceived them, conceptualized them, but also his wonderful wife Seema. Seema, look there. Thank you for doing this. Thank you. Everybody knows, comes from not only an illustrious film family, but also an illustrious gourmet family. Her mother is Tanuja, grandmother is Shobna Samar, and I actually did an interview with her for Aaj Tak. It was called Kal Aaj or Kajol, it was Tanuja's sister, and she's made a big hit in many movies, not just in Hindi films, but also in the South Indian world, and she's a great foodie, cooks brilliantly, and she's inherited all these genes from her wonderful gourmet family, right? Thank you so much for taking the time to be here. You want to say something?
Thank you for having me, Rashmi. That's a complete introduction. I just want to say that I'm a huge foodie, and I think Rashmi realized that a few months ago. But she's been aware of my grandmother, who was a huge, she was an amazing cook. So my introduction to food has actually been very healthy, home, typical Maharashtrian recipes that were made by my grandma, but they were just yummy. So it was very difficult for us to go out to restaurants that actually could compete or compare with the flavor we got from home cooking. So and then Rashmi met me in this yummy dinner in Chennai where we had all the chefs cooking for us, and actually, they were unbelievable. And I think the Indian food scene and the culinary scene is exploding in the most brilliant way, because I think we're finding the flavors that we don't have at home actually in your restaurants now. So it's lovely to be here, and thank you for having me, Rashmi.
Thank you, my darling. Just stay on the stage. now, ladies and gentlemen, has arrived the lady of the moment, Madame Shobha De. Everybody a big hand for Shobha, please.
Or in India can be starry enough without the author of Starry Nights and 26 other books, Shobha De. Shobha De, thank you for being here, Shobha. And we're here to light the oil lamp with us and then also to do more naughty mischief.
Okay, let's get the lamp
Deliciously
lighting
naughty
up.
mischief.
Okay, but before we light the lamp, ladies and gentlemen, before we light the lamp, I'm going to request Shobha. We're going to do 2 inaugural ceremonies right now. We're going to request Shobha to please give the trophy to the brand, our wonderful brand ambassador, the renowned
Shipra,
celebrity chef, master chef Shipra Khanna, with her 8 cookbooks, the 9th one we're going to launch today. Her television is so hot, red hot. Here she is, red hot. Okay. Thank you for the trophy, please. Shobha. Shipra Khanna has been brand ambassador for Spain, cultural ambassador, got awards in Cannes, got awards all over the world, and she has actually made time for us, and she's helping promote and spread the word of Hospitality Hope, which is a free-to-use, not-for-profit project of mine set up for the hospitality industry. Can we have her trophy, please, which Shobha is going to give to her?
Right, nice. I'm so humbled and honored to be the brand ambassador for Hospitality Hope. I know it's a project that's been really close to Rashmi, and we've been catching up all across the globe. She was there for the book launch, my 9th cookbook we launched in Abu Dhabi Book Fair. So she honored me with that. And all I want to say about Hospitality Hope that it's more than just a job portal. For me, where I look at it, it's about inclusivity. It's about global hospitality, and it's also a platform which is going to give a lot of it. It's a in today's world you need a bridge. So it's a bridge between say talent and opportunity, because a lot of times you have talent and not an opportunity, and it's also a platform which can make dreams come true for a lot of people. So I'm so happy to be a part of it, and I'm looking forward to make my being an ambassador here count. Thank you.
thank you, Shipra. Recently, and she said to me, I live in hope, a hunger to live boldly. Gratefully, holistically, with love, with hope. Shobha, we're talking about you.
Oh, okay. I was wondering who you were talking about.
About
Yeah.
you.
Do you want to start again? Because I missed the first line. I'm so sorry.
Shobha De, the author of countless books, over 25 and counting. Mother of 6, grandmom, good friend, a hungry gourmand, and a woman who lives hungry. Is it okay to say that? Lives with a hunger for life, for living, loving.
It's open to interpretation, so it's fine.
No, you said to me, book. It's important to have book. And she really, in her home, even poha becomes delicious. I remember the kanda poha you gave me. It was yummy. Thank you for being here, for joining us.
The lamp, the candles are made by this wonderful young lady who's here. Come. And they actually look like ice cream.
evening, and I'm sorry I was a little late. Now, what we are seeing today, what I'm seeing right in front of me, is an ode to Mumbai, an ode to all the wonderful people who have placed Mumbai on the culinary map and made every Mumbaiker so proud. And for me, that's really the biggest thrill of being here, because our food and our legacy of food and it's almost more than a century that it goes back to some of the people who will be honored this evening is inspirational, not just to Mumbaikars, but not just to the rest of India, but across the world. And that is the most important thing, because this is Mumbai. Mumbai is a city that gives, and hospitality hope represents exactly that. It's a portal that gives and gives exactly like the city. So when Rashmi talked to me about it before it was ever launched, I said to myself, when people in her position think in terms of legacy, they think small. They think, oh, it can be my latest new book, it can be a memoir, it can be something of that kind. But no, she's thinking legacy much beyond herself. She's thinking of what she can give back to the world that has given her so much. And a world she loves and a world that respects and loves her back. So it is her commitment, her dedication. I've known it over the last 50 years of being her friend, that she's tireless in those efforts and relentless in discovering new talent, in acknowledging new talent, and in making sure that they get their due. So this is a very, very important afternoon and evening for all of us, because there are people in this room whom we are going to be interacting with, who really, really are the ones who have carried the tradition of good food forward in our city, which loves food. And like I said, a city that never ceases to amaze with its generosity, just like Rashmi. And hospitality hope, with all the people involved in it, it's her goodwill that has made it happen, nothing else. Across the world, super chefs, super achievers in the field of hospitality. Suvir, who's right here with us, all the friends of Rashmi who are here today, all of us are there because we're so proud of what she's done, because it is something she's done for the people who have made culinary delight something that the whole world today recognizes, and put India on the map, and also brought the other fantastic places that she's been to across the world to India. So it's been an exchange that's so meaningful. So thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you.
And she couldn't have thought of a better brand ambassador. I mean, this amazing person, I read all about her. Of course I know all about you, but I'm meeting you today. I can see why you are where you are. You are, and I can sense it today and see it today. And Rashmi,
Amazing words of inspiration.
Thank you.
Center, yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Jaydeep, for doing that for us. Thank you. And further, I'd like to ask Mr. Rani, which restaurant would you like to go to? Noor Mohammadi, he's 101-year-old, serving the best halim, best buffet chicken biryani you can taste here. Chicken masalas ho, fourth generation. Can we have his trophy and his certificate, please?
Really happy. I've been to your wonderful place so many times. For the opening at the one at Kurla also we were there in full force. The entire family goes, he invites me, but I take a few more people along. Why not? What the hell? It's for free. But having said that, legacy is the order of the day today at least. And just to say that you have a dish called chicken Sanju Baba. There's no dish in my name, but it's alright, I'll give you the award today, no problem.
Yes, करेंगे.
Whichever one you decide, Rashmi. You're the culinary queen of this city.
Okay. Okay, Madras Cafe, can we have you here, please? Madras Cafe.
थैंक यू शिवा बाय बाय तू मेरे को भेज
हाँ मैं भेजा आपको
You're not coming with me. No, I'm not going to any station. Please show my face. I love you. Yeah. I'm not my car. It's right there. I'm going home. Come see muffins. You know very well. We go to. Thank you. सर पैर में कुछ हुआ है? बहुत ज़्यादा। रील बना रहे ना?
हाँ हाँ कौन मना करेगा ओके बाय